Okay, I finally found out how to get audio working. Hey guys. So today I wanted to show off a cool little project that I've been working on Scratch and get you guys hyped for the new Alfo Laboratory game. Let me just click this. Well, it's not really Alpha Laboratory. It's based off of World of Wonder, and I changed the name back to Alpha Laboratory at some point. But yeah, that's loud, bro. Oh my god, that's loud. Okay. Okay, so this is version 1. This isn't the final version of the game. I'm going to show you what the final version of the game is going to look like, though, because later I'm going to release a demo. For now, I'm going to show you this. So you got this menu here, continuation of the Rec Room game Alpha Laboratory. Now, this is actually a prequel to that story, and it's going to be based off of the Doomsday event. And I think I described this earlier in my touring my Rec Room stuff earlier. But yeah, that this was a prequel, and Albert Miller is the guy. So if you click on this, you use the number keys, and that's thing that keeps it so that less sprites, and yeah, so I don't have to make like buttons. These ones though are buttons, individual buttons. So here you got keybinds, and show you this crosshair. So if I make that like 90, it'll switch to blue. We're gonna keep that at, well, actually we'll just do that for now. So quick switch. So your weapons, I described this as going for more of a kind of like a Resident Evil, Silent Hill type of game. At least I think I did. I don't know if I did or not. But, I mean, I don't know why settings is F. Oh, right, okay. So originally, I had this as like a, sort of like a game where you like walk around the map, but I changed it to be like a point and click game. So you could click on an object and your character would go towards it. This would change though. Inventory? That is not how that's meant to be spelled. Okay. But yeah, you got keybinds, and you can set these in your game. These fully work. I tested it. These keybinds, they fully work in the game. It's just I got rid of these just to keep things more simplistic. But you got a control type here. If you click on this, it goes for more compact, so it's like you can do this with one hand. And then the lower keys show like the lower keys. And that's the default. You can change these to whatever you want. Preferably not this though. But if I click on set to default, everything goes back to normal. These ones, though, you have to manually type down arrow, which is inconvenient, but it works. But I got rid of it later. Load game. You can load a save file. I'm gonna skip through this. I don't want you guys seeing that yet. So this is the game. Oh, there is walking. So I guess I was like, well, oh, well, it doesn't work correctly. I guess I was in beta of working on this before I scrapped this version. But, yeah, you can't really interact with anything here, really. Can you? I had kind of a cool system set up for it. But, anyways, now thank God I'm done with that. Here is the newer version, Alpha Laboratory Doomsday. Much quieter. So here we go, same thing. Settings, just gonna skip that for now. I got rid of the keybinds, as I said earlier. I'm gonna do this just for I'll make it to good old 69. Again, I'm gonna skip this. And I gave him a nose. I added a little note card thing. So there's files in the game that you can pick up, and this is kind of like the menu for it. Okay, now we're in the actual game. So you actually get hints how to play. Stuff works. There's a pause menu now. So I can go into settings and change it back to 30 if I wanted. And this thing does work as well. Not gonna do that, but it does work. Take my word for it. But you can interact with everything in the room now. And you even have an inventory as well. Cool. So, got an herb here. There's a door up here though, but oh, that's weird. Why is it off center? Whatever. I'll fix it later. But go there. The D floor. Yes, I will. We need a craft. So now if I open it, they're both in my inventory. Here, if I press the 1 key. We'll do that. Now I can enter, and if I look at my inventory, you can see it's right there, the first aid cologne. I can now enter the door. So yeah, and that is now I can't do really anything else right now. So that's what I have so far. Gonna make a playable demo for y'all soon. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. See ya.